how to fix enable to follow a user on TikTok app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to fix enable to follow a user on TikTok app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your TikTok. Once you are on your profile, click on those three lines and click on setting and privacy. And now scroll down and you're gonna find report a problem. Click on it. And here scroll down, you're gonna find follow, likes, comments. Click on it. And now you have enabled to follow a user. Top there. Wait for a second and they're gonna give you advices. The first thing, you should switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and clear up video cache. Restore the app and your device. Make sure you are running the latest version of TikTok. If this is still not working, click on no and click on need more help. Send them a feedback with your screenshot and click on report and they're gonna solve your problem. It's gonna take about 24 hours, and this is it. Don't forget to subscribe and like.